If you've recently seen adverts for Tai Chi programs online, they've piqued your interest, you've thought they look like something for me, you've not tried them yet and you're still a little bit unsure as to where to start and perhaps you don't want to spend any money yet, then my name is Daphne Richardson. I'm here on the Freshfield Fitness YouTube channel where for the last 5 or 6 years I've been sharing Tai Chi QiGong as low impact exercise, free to watch and follow at home. There's no commitment, no pressure. My sessions are easy to follow, beginner friendly, and today you can join me in this short session. It's going to introduce you to some simple Tai Chi movements so you can have a go and see how this gentle movement feels for you. Our session today is about 12 minutes of movement, gentle, low impact. Do listen to your body and keep all the movements well within your comfort zone. We're focusing on our posture. We want to ground our feet to the floor, lift up through the crown and keep everything relaxed as we move. Standing with our feet hip width apart. One of our Tai Chi principles is a mindfulness of movement, so we really want to connect our minds and body. We're going to hold our ball in front of our chest, breathe in as we extend the arms out to open the ball and breathe out slowly as we bring those hands together, closing the ball. And as we move the hands, imagine you are moving your hands through water and we've really got to push those hands through the water. Big breath in and breathing out. Keeping the arm movement going, we're going to add a sinking of the body weight into our horse stance by bending our knees and lifting up still through the crown, keeping that posture tall. We want to have a strong thigh position and the knees want to travel in the direction of our toes, and just keep the knee bent to wherever feels comfortable for you. Adding on again, this time we're going to hold our horse stance at the bottom, move our ball down to the floor, lift up through straight legs to the ceiling and bring our hands back to the chest to repeat. Breathing in, breathing out as we sink. Taking the ball low, holding the horse stance and then lifting up high, straightening the legs, keeping everything soft and relaxed. Making this one our last one, we're going to hold the ball at the chest and transfer our weight over, stepping out a little bit further into a side bow stance. Another one of our Tai Chi principles is weight distribution and that slow shift of transfer of weight. Great for our leg strength, great for our body awareness and our posture and alignment. We're pushing our ball to the corner by turning the waist and transferring that weight across. And again, as the knee bends, it is travelling in the direction of our toe, and we're keeping that knee bend well within our own comfort zone. This time adding on, starting with the push, we're going to hold that side bow as we bring the hands down and lift up round in a circle, bringing ourselves back to the chest to repeat. Bring yourself back to the middle, and we're going to repeat all of that on the other side, stepping out to that side bow stance, pushing the ball to begin with. Really focus your mind on the moving hands, and that way we start to connect mind and body, everything harmonized, everything moving at once. Breathing in as we hold the ball to the chest, breathing out on the effort of that push. This time adding on, taking ourselves to the push, holding that side bow as we bring the hands down, lifting up in that circular movement to the chest. Final one here, bringing ourselves feet together. So we're going to continue with our arm movement, opening and closing the chi ball, but we're going to add a mindful step out to the side, transferring the weight, sinking into our horse stance. We want to transfer it back to the center and step in, bending the knees. So really peel the feet off one by one, feel every part of your foot working through down into the ground and peeling back off again. Remembering to keep the breathing calm. We're breathing in as those hands go out to the side, breathing out as they come towards the middle. Stepping out into wider than hip width now and continuing with the same movement, sinking into a deeper horse stance. Remember your posture, we still want to be lifted up through the crown with a nice tall posture throughout. With that slow shift of weight across to the side, we're moving our hands all the way around, shifting the weight from one side bow to the other and back into the center. So really feel mindful and a connection with our transfer of body weight here. Feeling all the movement from one leg across to the middle and over to the other side. Sweeping the arms across like they're moving through water and focusing the mind on those moving hands. Transferring the weight across into one foot now, so 100% of the body weight is moving across into that supporting leg, and our arms are lifting up to hold the ball across the body with that gentle turn of the waist. Breathing in as we lift, breathing out as we sink. Continuing with this footwork, but adding both arms now to hold the ball across the body. Next, stepping across to what's called empty stance, and we're holding it here as we open and close that chi ball. We want to step to the side, sink the body weight into that back supporting leg so there's no weight, or the front leg is empty of weight. Think about your posture, so we're lifting up through the crown. We want to pull belly button through to spine to engage the core to help stabilize and improve our balance here. It's a great one for our leg strength and core strength. Finally, stepping in, feet together, lifting up high as we breathe in, breathe out, bringing the ball all the way down from top to bottom. Just feel that lovely expansion as we lift, that relaxation as we come down. Big breath in as we rise and breathing out slowly as we come down. This time bringing it to the chest and just holding it here as we open the arms, we're breathing in, closing the ball, we're breathing out. Just focus on that breath, focus on clearing the mind, on calming everything down, on relaxing and finding peace. And finally reach up, stretching high, press the palms, bring the hands to the heart to bring this lovely session to the close. I really hope you found that session helpful today and that it's encouraged you to take more steps along your Tai Chi journey. Please do check out the rest of my channel, Freshfield Fitness Tai Chi Active. All the sessions are free to watch and follow at home. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the new content. A new session drops every Sunday. So hope to see you soon. Bye.